everyone. First, I apologize that this will be a shaky video because it's a walking around one, but I wanted to show you what we got. If you've been watching our farm videos, we have 30 or 40 acres of farm, or of woods on our farm, and we wanted to be able to harvest our own trees and make our own lumber. So, somewhat locally to us, there was an auction. The Sawmill came up. It's a Lane and Bodley sawmill, and the detail of this is just amazing that they put something so fancy into a sawmill. But you can see here it actually is motor driven, but there's lots of big belts like this. This is the motor room, and this motor's gonna come out. Watch those holes. And that's going through here.
Where's Jack?
I don't know.
Stay back, okay?
I'll give you as much written information and ask all the questions I can about this, but I think he said it was built from the 1850s to 1880s. I'll research some more about it, but there's rails here. You can see the rough on lumber here from what was left of the auction. There's a log loader here, and it's got like little grapple hooks kind of that grab a hold of it. And there's a motor. There's some hydraulics here for something else.
Shh. Tracks.
Jack's favorite parts are the tracks. You know,
I love trains.
there's no electricity out here. We've got it disconnected, so I'm doing the best with the lighting. But you can see here, this is a cart that sits on the rails.
Spider webs on.
I am making a video.
Used some.
Here's the blades.
Just back it up.
It has a blower over there, and I think it said Parks on it. The sawmill itself was made in Cincinnati. Yep, Cincinnati, Ohio. Very good, Jack.
Hey,
And
can you get the end that way?
see here, we've got cement foundations, or concrete foundations. I know you guys love it when I say cement.
Now back up and do it like that. Yep.
Here's your lever that
What?
gauges the width of your cut. So they've got this built right in. Don't.
Okay.
So
Oh, you need the wood out of there?
we're actually disassembling this
Nope.
today,
Back up. I got something for him.
and we're taking it out to our own farm. This little wagon here is the sawdust wagon. You see they got a little vent up there at the top. I think it'd make the best little chicken wagon.
Here. Back out of there.
You can see this is the length of the building. Oh, there's another motor. Hop down. There's another motor past Jack down there, and a chute that your unusable cuts, it shoots it out the end, and then you've got your stack of firewood, and you can put a trailer there. I've got a lot of detailed photos, so watch for the photo slideshow of it coming up also.
Okay. Now we'll get her.
But that's our sawmill, everyone. Over here we have a lathe. That comes out of Holland, Michigan. That was a separate part, but we bought that in the auction with it also.
Okay.
And that said BUS as an abbreviation, so Business Works something, Holland, Michigan. And of course we're in Michigan, so that should be easy to research. We always like to learn about this stuff, know about when it was made, where it came from. This auction was out of Fowlerville, Michigan. And the farm is being split off and sold, so it's time for us to get this out.
Hey, hold on.